Okay, now I'm going to show you how to set up your product. What you want to do is you want to go to select. Then as you can see, you're going to have a bunch of different recipes you can choose from. So say you want to jump to recipe 19. All you do is plug in the number 19, hit enter, and you're at that program. Obviously right now we're going to start with program number 1 since this is the first bag that we're entering. What you're going to do is you're going to go to quick setup. Then you're going to see you're going to enter your product name. So this is your 3-pound bag. So we're just going to call this 3-pound. The next step is to enter your packet length. We have a ruler right here, right next to the weigh table. So packet length's about 11.5 inches. Then you're going to put if you're weighing in gross or net weight. For this video we're weighing in gross, and for your product we're weighing in gross. Then you're going to choose your conveyor speed. I believe you guys are running at about 12 a minute. Tare weight's always 0. Unless you're trying to calculate just the actual weight of the product and you're trying to tear out the bag itself. And then your target weight. So our target weight here is 3 pounds. So that is, how many grams is that? That is 1,352 grams. And then you're going to go into auto dynamic calibration. In this screen, before you run your samples, you're going to want to set your high and low limits. So the high limit is going to be how much the product can weigh without it going over. So if it goes over your high limit number, it's going to reject if you have it set to reject. Same with the low limit. If it's below whatever weight in grams you have it set to, it's going to reject. So you're going to choose how tight you want that. You want to set your limitations. For right now, we'll leave it as is. And then your target weight's right here. Now we're going to start our auto dynamic calibration. We're going to run 6 samples of the product. What the scale is going to do now is it's going to basically get to know the product. It's going to weigh it 6 times, and you're going to get a couple numbers after that. You're going to get standard deviation, your average weight, min and max as well. Now we're going to run the samples across the Checkweigher. Keep in mind the weights that it displays on the HMI are not the true weights. You're not actually going to see the true weight until it's finished calibrating. All right, this is the last bag. Okay, so as you can see, we got really tight accuracy. The average, or the target weight that we were shooting for was 1,352 grams. That was pretty much your average weight right here, standard deviation 0.39, so well within plus or minus a gram. So you're looking good there. What we'll do now is calibrate the reject. Your reject delay is going to set from the time that your product reaches your outfeed photo eye, and then in seconds measures when it's going to shoot off. The width, all that does is measure the reject and the amount of time that it pushes for, that it extends for. So what we're going to do is set this up now for this product. So I'll press start reject. It's going to wait for the container. Okay, so that was actually timed pretty spot on. Like I said, if you needed to fire off a little bit faster, all you would do is lower this and you can see the seconds go up and down. Same with the width. If you needed it to extend a little bit longer, you can mess with the reject width, but that's how you set up your reject. Okay, we can cut.